Hello guys, today I came up with another video regarding event handling in React. What is the event handling in the DOM element? What is the difference between the normal event handling and React event handling? I'm going to be segregating both of them, and I'm going to clearly explain what is the difference between that one. So handle events with React elements is very similar handling events in on DOM elements. Okay, there are some syntax difference. Only there are few syntax differences. React events are named as the camelCase. That means in some letter is the capital. And normal DOM element, any HTML or plain JavaScript is going to be called all or lowercase, and using that one, and then you can call it any method inside function just in string method string. Let me show the quickly, and you can understand the one like in what I'm trying to discuss about that one. So here I'm going to do here like in a plain folder um, handle event handle. In this event handle, I want to call it just form submit dot tsx. Okay, TSX, and just as I said in camel case, and just I want to show the example how you're going to call it normally. Okay, button normally okay, click here in a DOM element on a HTML plain JavaScript, how you're going to call it, like in here button, and then you can go to call it like in on click, all are lowercase, and then you are using the string method, and just you are calling the some function no, like in a click, handle click or something, handle click. Okay, handle click, and you have to write it in the function. Then only it will go to accept, and once you are clicking, it will go to the function, and it will go to give the results, exact results. But bit a little bit slight difference in the React. Let me show the how to do the in React as well. Import React from React. Okay, so let me show in the functional component, and firstly, and then I want to go to the another one function, and here just event handle, event handle, event handle. Okay, event handle, and then sorry, by mistake in function event handle, and then I will go to call it the here, and then I want to write down return. In this return we have the parent due, and then inside of the parent due we have the form submit. Just I want to do it in form on submit, see here s is the camel case, okay, capital, and remaining as is, but in normally you are calling like in submit, and method here is normally normal DOM element, but in here button is quite different, slight difference, like in you have to use the parenthesis, and then you can call the handle click, and then you have to close this one and form, and then inside of the form, okay, here is showing the handle click is the just in cannot find name. I have to declare the one, later I will declare it, but this is functional component, that's why I'm taking the handle click, but in class component this dot handle click should come. Okay, so button, okay, button just submit, and I want to call here on type submit. Okay, type normally is normal DOM element, how you're calling type submit, click and button or something, whatever you want to be, just you want to on submit, and then I will call this handle click over here, handle click. Okay, that's a function, so you can use it the two ways, like a normal function handle click function, or otherwise I'm going to use the most of the times in the callback and arrow function. Just I want to do it such a way, but then you have to declare it like in before using this one constant handle click, and then here, like in use it the prevent default. In here I want to declare like in any, because in I don't want to declare the props. If you want to declare in the props, you can declare the props. E means in the event, you know, right? Everybody's known. But in normally, if you're not calling this one, it is going to throw the error in the normal TypeScript. Okay, so I declared like that, and just event sorry, event dot prevent default. Prevent default means in just it is prevent the the same case. So prevent event default, prevent the default. Okay, prevent default. And then after prevent default, just I want to keep the alert welcome clicked form. Okay, click form submit form. Okay, the first one is finished, and just I want to call it the export. I want to export it. Export default event handle. So what you learned here, like in here, just in I'm not using the plain camel. Everything is normally we have the DOM element. We have just like in lowercase any event handling, but in here like in you have to use the camelCase. So that's the main difference, and normally you have to call it the inside of the string and function, but in here you need to call it the inside of the parenthesis. And let me show you guys this one how it is going to work out. Like in let me comment out this piece of code, and let me call the event handle over here. What is going to happen? Event over here. Okay, event handle. And then let me run my application, cd my app. It's here, and npm start. Once npm start, it will go to give the exact the results in after submitting the form you should come out. Okay, so it will take in bit time to come out, so let it come back the results. So yeah, I think a little bit fast. Okay, starting the double server. Okay, fine. Yeah. Next, I want to show the next one, like in on off toggle, guys, and the class component, how it is working in the same toggle in the on click event. So how we are going to handle it in the on click event. Let me show the one. Let me run this one. See here, the submit button is coming up. Once I'm clicking, what is going to be alert? Clicked form submit should come out, right? So here, see, clicked form submit is coming out. So that's the one example, guys. That is the functional component. Just I want to show the class component, how you are going to declare it. Just I want to toggle just in event class dot tss. Okay, so here as I like in here react from react from react, and then um like in you know guys, like in type I want to declare it directly in props. Okay, empty props, and type um type um state, what state you want to declare. You can declare is toggle on boolean, is toggle on boolean, and then class toggle extends, react dot component, Okay, so here like in just I will go to call the props and state, and then here parenthesis. Once I will get the parenthesis, and just as I said, in there is a special method constructor, and inside of the constructor super keyword as well. Here I want to declare props and colon props. Okay, props colon props, and then it should come. I want to close this one, guys. It's easy, and I want to zoom in a little bit. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah. see here guys, just handle click on the constructor, and after constructor like in here, like in this super keyword, super, and just I want to call the props, and then this dot state. Okay, state is coming up over here, and then inside of the state just is toggle, is toggle false. I want to give it the false. So before okay, fine, here is coming up like this, and then I want to, you know guys, in render method in the class components. So after render method we have return. In this return we have a button click. Once I'm at button click, it should display the toggle on and off. I want to use the ternary conditional rendering. Let me show the one on click equal to this dot. Just I want to declare any name, any name here, and I'll click. As I said, like in here, see the camel case, that is the event handling, but normal DOM is on click, and here is the string is coming up, and you can call the inside of the string the function. So that's the way you have to call it, guys. That's very important, just to keep in mind. Just I want to wind up this one in before going before finishing the video. I'm just stay with me, and just in toggle and the ternary operation, just ternary operation, and on here off. Okay, so handle click is showing the error that not exist. Okay, fine, no problem. Let me do the one like in over here, just call the normal function, and over here, and this dot set state. You know guys, what is the set state? Set state is taking the two parameters. One is the previous state, another is the props, and then you have to utilize in only straight away previous state and props in anywhere anything else. If you are writing, if you are not writing, it is going to give, it is not going to give the proper result, guys. And keep in mind that. So here I want to do the normal callback arrow function. So and then return, and then using the parentheses is toggle on. Okay, and not equal to previous state dot is toggle on. That's pretty much of it, guys. So we'll see here, and I forgot to do the export default, export default toggle. Okay, export default toggle. So and then I have to go here, just I will call this toggle over here, toggle. Okay, fine, and then okay. So once it will toggle is coming up, see here guys, the off and on and off, where it is coming from, on and off is coming from event class. Event class in the toggle, here is the toggle. Here just I will keep with the ternary operation on and off. So once I'm clicking on and off, it should on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. Okay, so that is the class component. We have to what you learned here, like in just this all are I already explained these all these things, and just I want to talk about the event handling on click. This is very important, guys. Here the camel case and this dot handle click we have to be declare like this, and then once you have to declare here, you can call it this one. And before wind up, guys, the video, I want to show the another one, but normally the beginners, they are making the mistake. Don't make the mistake, guys. This one is, however, if you're using, sorry guys, my phone is here. Sorry for that. So I want to add another one, like in functional component. In the functional component, beginners is doing the mistake dot tsx. So any here, just I want to react from react. So if you are using in plain JavaScript, definitely it will not show the exact error. If you are using in TypeScript, TypeScript is stopping you. Don't use it such a way. So what I want to talk about that one, just let me do it, guys, and just functional mistake. Just I want to keep the mistake beginners equal to some name, and that one arrow function. In this arrow function, just in return, you're gonna know, guys, in return here, just div tag, and in this div tag, and just I want to call the button click, and the button, you know, right, in the camel case on click, and here most of the times in here on the handle click, you know, right, guys, in handle click how it is coming. I'm just click. I want to keep the click. Okay, click, or otherwise click. Okay, fine, no problem, whichever you want to be. Just normally not this keyword is not coming over here. That's the wrong what I done. And here I'm just constant click and arrow function here alert. Okay, alert, and just you're showing button click. Okay, button click. Okay, okay, fine, and I want to export it, this one, export default mistake beginners. Okay, fine, so I want to call it this one. We'll see what is going to be happen. So mistake bag, okay, beginners. I want to show you the guys. So here, click. See, once you're clicking, button click is coming. What is the difference? Like, can you already show some toggle and some event classes and everything is working fine? What is the difference? What you are showing? What you are trying to show to the uh, people? Like in here, what I'm trying to show, guys, just most of the beginners, they are making mistake. They are doing like this, like a function. They're calling function inside of the function. So if you're doing here handle click in function, it is going to be, this part is automatically, it will come up if you're using the console.log. If you're using console.log, it is going to be happen like in here. But in TypeScript is going to be stop you. No, you have to type void or not assignable to the mouse event HTML bundle, something like this. But if you're using a normal plain JavaScript, I want to show the JSX, what is going to be happen. See, guys, JSX, if I'm using in JSX is not showing anything else. See, I converted into TSX to JSX. See what happened here. Let me rerun it, and here, see, and if I'm going over here, no such file direct. Oh, okay, fine. Yeah, I got it. What is the issue? Okay, fine. I got it. Okay, fine. Okay, here. Okay, so I want to rerun this one, and then npm start again, and what happened we'll see. So JSX will allow you to do the such a kind of mistakes, guys. Just be careful, and don't make the mistake, this kind of mistakes. So what happened, see, and I will show you in very quickly. And automatically it will reloading the, automatically it will first is coming the output in automatically without clicking the button. This part is going to be execute. Let me show the one. Okay, that's great. So here, see, without clicking, I'm not clicking anything, and what happens, see here, see, button click, already click, see, and just I want to refresh it. See here, the button click without clicking. After clicking, nothing happened. See, nothing happened. This is the mistake, guys. Don't make mistake, this kind of mistake. Just you have to revert it back, and then automatically it's working as expected. See here. Let me rerun again. Nothing happened. Once you're clicking, then it's happened. The click button is clicking. You got it. I hope you understand something else in over here, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. And next, I want to explain the binding events and the conditional rendering. Yeah, that's it. Pretty much of it today. Yeah, talk to you. See you on next video. Bye bye, guys.